Ridge vents are like the secret sauce for making your roof last way longer than it would without proper airflow. So, here's the thing about ridge vents. They help keep your attic cool by letting hot air escape, which stops moisture from building up and wrecking your roof materials. You gotta make sure those vents are installed right at the peak of your roof where two slopes meet, so air can flow out smoothly. It's super important to pair ridge vents with soffit vents down below to get that perfect air circulation going like a natural breeze through your attic. If you're thinking about roof maintenance, check the ridge vent regularly to see if it's clogged with debris or old leaves. Cleaning it out is an easy way to keep that airflow strong without any hassle. When your roof breathes properly, stuff like shingles won't curl or crack as fast, which means fewer repairs and more years before you gotta replace anything. Also, ridge's vents help reduce ice damming in colder months because the attic stays at a more even temperature. That's a big win since ice dams can cause serious damage and leaks. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ridge vents is not installing enough intake vents, like soffit vents, so air can't flow in properly. Fixing that means adding or clearing soffit vents to balance airflow. Another common problem is ignoring clogged ridge vents. When debris blocks them, moisture hangs around and ruins your roof faster, so just cleaning them out regularly does wonders. The third issue is using cheap or improper ridge vent materials that don't stand up to weather or pests. Choosing quality, durable ridge vents and getting a pro install them will save you headaches down the road. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know how to install ridge vents and handle roof care right. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with people who really need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done well.